Guys, hello, welcome back to another video. Yeah, this is Temilaya Mom channel. You are very welcome. Please watch and make sure you are learning something. So in this video I'm going to show you the other time I did the spring roll liquid. Some of you asked in the comment section that I measure the water just to be sure of how many cups you are going to be using. Before now I don't measure because I know the consistency that I need, but because you all ask, I'm just making this on the cam to show you how many cups. So actually we are going to count it together. This is to be sure that I didn't add any extra water outside. So you're just going to like watch and see how I add the water. So you already know this recipe, like I've been putting it on the screen, but then you already know it. If you don't know, you can go back to our video and watch our samosa mix. I'll put the link in the description box so that you can watch the video and understand what we are doing right now. But the recipe or the measurement has already been displayed on the screen, but you can still watch. So I'm just mixing the stuff, and anyway, it's Christmas season. Let me play some music while you watch and count the water that we are using. So guys, for some of you that want me to show you how I wrap my samosa using this sheet without like having to shaping it or to trim it or whatever, so this is how it goes. When you pull your filling, make sure you put it in the middle. If not, maybe closer to the down, you get. So you put it, you fold both sides in, take it up, then you fold sideways again. It's very simple. I don't even know how to explain it at all, but let's go. I actually did like 4 to 5 rounds just so you can get it. So you lie the sheet on your board. One thing you want to make sure you do is to flour your board, like make sure there's flour on it. It doesn't get sticky and then maybe a hole will just touch on it. So you want to make sure there's a lot of flour on your board, table, whatever you're using. So yeah, that's how you roll. You just another thing, please don't put too much filling. Just put accordingly, because your sheet is small. But if you make a bigger sheet, go ahead and add more filling. But for this one is for business purpose, so the filling doesn't have to be too much. If it's too much on this small sheet, it's going to be difficult to wrap. So you can see it clearly now how I wrap that one. So it's just that simple. I'm just going to let you watch. Now I'm going to show you, like, if you don't want the rough edges and all that. It actually looks good if it's fried because it makes it look crunchy and all that. But if you don't want it, you can actually go ahead and use your pizza cutter or sharp knife, whatever you want to use. So how you do it is, after you wrap it, the excess down that you're supposed to fold back, you just trim it off. It actually looks neat, but it will take some of your time, definitely, and it's just going to waste some of those wrap. So I don't really do this, but I used to, and that's what I'm showing you guys. So whatever you feel like. So here's the spring roll wrapping. So what you want to do is to put your filling straight line at the edge of one side, then you roll 2 times, you fold your extra sides in, you roll again, and then you add your sealing flour mix. This flour mix is actually from the batter I use in making the wrap, so it's not like something special. I just take a little from the batter I use in making the wrap. So you can see it again so you get what I'm saying. You put your filling at the edge, you roll it 2 times, okay, then you fold in, then you add your batter and you fold. Yeah, that's all. This way it is well sealed. Yeah, I'm just going to leave you to watch and enjoy it. Hi again. I hope you are finding it helpful. I hope you are learning something. I hope it looks easy for you, because it's actually easy. I'm not even joking. By the time you do up to 10 pieces, even if you make mistakes, just keep on doing it. You are going to eventually get it, okay? So let me use this opportunity to say thank you for everything that you do. There's a good news, guys. I'm going to share it very soon. Thank you so much for each and every one of you that tune in to watch. I really do appreciate you all. If at this point you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload. Yeah, guys, look at what we created. This was for the client. I made up to 4 boxes, yeah, 4 of these boxes today, and it was really easy and nice.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never